Tax is a mandatory financial charge or a kind of levy imposed upon a taxpayer by a governmental organization in order to fund government spending and various public expenditures. Taxes help pay for public services like education, healthcare, infrastructure development, and welfare benefits, ensuring the country's economic stability and growth. The concept of taxation dates back to ancient civilizations but has evolved significantly over the centuries. Today, tax systems vary widely between countries in complexity and types of taxes levied. The most common forms include income tax, sales tax, property tax, and corporate tax. Income tax is levied directly on personal earnings, including wages, salaries, and investment profits. Sales tax, on the other hand, is applied to the purchase of goods and services and is usually collected by the seller and passed on to the government. Property tax is charged on the ownership of assets like land and real estate, while corporate tax is imposed on the profits earned by businesses. Taxes can be either progressive, regressive, or proportional. Progressive taxes increase as the taxable amount rises, which helps to balance economic inequality by taxing higher earners at greater rates. Regressive taxes, such as sales taxes, tend to take a larger percentage of income from lower earners. Proportional taxes, also known as flat taxes, charge the same percentage rate of taxation on everyone, regardless of income. Efficient tax systems promote fairness by ensuring that taxation reflects an individual's ability to pay. They also avoid double taxation, taxing the same income or activity twice. To achieve this, governments employ various tax credits, exemptions, and allowances that help to adjust the overall tax burden on individuals and businesses. Taxation also plays a crucial role in macroeconomic policy. Through fiscal policy, governments can influence economic activity by adjusting tax rates and spending levels. For example, during a recession, a government might lower taxes to increase consumer spending and stimulate economic growth. However, taxes can also be a point of contention among citizens, particularly when they perceive the tax system as unfair or when they disagree with government spending priorities. Tax evasion, where individuals or corporations illegally avoid paying taxes, poses a significant challenge to the fairness and functionality of tax systems worldwide. In sum, taxes are an essential tool for governments to raise revenue and provide public goods and services. Understanding the principles behind taxation and its effects on the economy can empower citizens to make informed decisions and engage meaningfully in civic discussions.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. Your support helps us keep bringing you great videos.